Hi everyone, Leonardo Redavid here from Redavid Salon Products. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Redavid Orchid Oil Curl Defining Creme. This is an amazing product. It will give you curls, it will give you body, it will defrizz your hair, but it won't make it crunchy or hard, and you're going to see amazing results from your naturally curly or wavy hair, okay? Here's my model. This is a perfect model. I blow dry her hair all the time, and she's got amazing curls in her hair. What I want to do is I want to enhance all those beautiful curls. I'm going to wet her down, apply the Curl Defining Cream, scrunch it and diffuse it, and then I'm going to show you the results afterward. You'll be totally blown away, all right? We'll talk to you soon. I sprayed my model down. And then I'm going to apply the Redavid Orchid Oil Curl Defining Cream. I'm going to use about that much. Emulsify it really well. And I'm going to start on the ponytail. I'm going to massage it in the ponytail really well. You see that? Just massage it in really nice. Don't be afraid to massage it. We use a lot of skin emulsifiers, so you always want to work it in. Work it in, detangle the hair, comb it in. And now you're ready to style the hair. What I'm doing basically is just squeezing the hair, and I'm putting heat to it. You can let it dry naturally. I like it dry naturally, but if you're in a hurry, this is the best way. When you're dealing with curly hair, you always want to take your time with it. So low heat is the best for it. The Curl Defining Cream is going to leave your hair very soft, very manageable. It will really make your curls come alive. They will give it a whole new dimension of those curls. Squeezing the hair, put the heat on it, squeeze the hair, put the heat on it, open it up, squeeze the hair, put the heat on it, and then let go. And look already, these beautiful curls happening. It's absolutely amazing. I love it.
It's a little bit frizzy right here. You might need to just put some Orchid on it.
Mark will go away, okay? All right, go away. See, I'm just scrunching it. It's almost dry. And look at these beautiful volume, beautiful curls. You got to remember, we're dealing with a mannequin hair. So on naturally wavy hair, you're going to find, you know, it's going to give you even more body and more curls and more definition. Redavid Orchid Oil Curl Defining Cream is definitely the choice. You got curly, wavy hair, and I'm just going to turn her around for you, just to kind of give you an idea how much volume she's got. The hair feels very soft. It's not really frozen or crunchy or hard. You can really see these beautiful, beautiful curls. With curls, the more you play with it, the more you can, you know, put them into place. And there it is. Redavid Orchid Oil Curls. Absolutely amazing. And I'm just squeezing it a little bit more. The more you squeeze, the more you touch, the more beautiful curls and more setting you can have those curls. I really appreciate you spending some time with me, and we'll see you soon, all right? Redavid Orchid Oil Curl Defining Cream. That's where it's at. Ciao.